using generative AI to create chronologies. Certainly, if you've worked in the legal field, in a law firm, whether you're an attorney or a paralegal, we have all been tasked with creating a chronology, a timeline, whether you're sifting through a few documents, looking for a few key events, or you have had a data dump and it is now your fun task to get everything in order and figure out what's actually going on. Now, instead of having to labor intensively for days and days trying to get things in order and manually creating a timeline or a chronology, you can do it literally within a minute or two.